Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to register your own domain with Google Domains. Um, that's only one service. There are many different kinds you can use. GoDaddy's a really common one, although their customer service I hear is not very good. So I'm just going to try to show you how to do this with Google Domains. So the first thing I'm going to do is search for Google Domains, really easy. And it should be the first hit. And once you get in here, you can click around, get started. You can read a little bit here about what Google recommends, but you can also just search for a domain here. So let me go see if I'm already logged in. You can create an account, which you'll have to do. This one's with my Gmail, but you can use your own address or a Gmail. It shouldn't matter. So I'm going to find the perfect one. And here's your search bar, and you can search different kinds of names. And if you haven't already looked at the LinkedIn Learning video about choosing a domain name, that's really helpful. And it appears that Google also has some advice on how to choose a domain name. I own already a lot of domains that I want, so coming up with one is kind of arbitrary at this point for me. I'm going to try just like a couple names I was playing around with, like Lexical Luther. That one was available. And you can see here I can get .com, .org, .net. .com is really the target. It's usually what we want, but you can choose some of these other ones. And you can also play around with different kinds of endings if that's something that appeals to you. So if I choose .com, I'm going to go to the shopping cart here and add this to my cart, and then I'm going to check out. And here you'll see you can do privacy protection and auto renew if you want to have this automatically renew each year. I don't, so I'm going to go to checkout. So I ended up paying for a different domain. I went with jwluther.com. And once you have successfully registered for $12 a year, hopefully you didn't pay any more than that, you're taken to this portal where you can have a lot of different options. You can do a deep dive here if you want to explore it. If I encourage you to do that. But really, what you want to do here to forward this new address to your current WordPress is grab your current WordPress address and then go to website. You're not going to build a new website. You're going to forward to an existing web page. So I'm going to go to forward domain. And in my case, I'm going to send it to jasonluther.net because that's where I want that to go. But you want to grab your WordPress URL and paste that in here, and you should hit forward. There's some advanced options there that you can explore, but only if you know what you're doing. This is a temporary redirect. It shows where it's going to go. And I'm good to go. Forward domain. Forward. And I think it's all set. I can also edit this back to advanced options. I want it to be a permanent redirect rather than temporary. Don't know why the temporary is the default, but so I should be good to go. So when users go to jwluther.com, it's going to redirect them to jasonluther.net. Once you have successfully redirected your website, just shoot me a quick email and let me know that you did that. Send me the new URL, and you're good to go.